Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini cars here. Okay, now I bring one. Bulldozer. Truck. Mini monster truck, white color. Mini airplane. Mini racing car, green color. Mini airplane. About this one, mini airplane. Another one, another bulldozer, mini bulldozer. Crane monster truck. Police car. This one is also a supercar. Ambulance. How about this one? Mini racing car, green color. Okay everybody, let's move to another one. Now check the first one. The first one is a Spider-Man red color. Racing supercar. How about this one everybody? Police car, yellow color. Supercar, green color. How about this one everybody? This is a hero Spider-Man. You can see a sign. You can see a sign of spider on his chest. How about this one? I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. This one is a loader. If right, please write down below. Mini monster truck, white color. Now check the last one. This is a monster truck, a nice monster truck. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.